In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps from Google Play Store. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer where all your apps live. If you don't see it right away, use your phone's search bar and type Play Store. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your Google account details to continue. You need a Google account to download apps from the store. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. Type the name of the app you want, like a social app, a tool, or a game, and then pause a moment for suggestions to appear. When your desired app shows up in the results, tap it to open its store page. On the apps page, take a quick look at the details so you know you're getting the right one. Check the app icon, the developer name, star rating, and the number of downloads. Flip through screenshots to see how it looks, and skim the description or a couple of reviews for extra confidence. This helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures it does what you expect. When you're ready, install the app. For free apps, tap Install. For paid apps, tap the Price button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase. The download will begin automatically, and you'll see a progress indicator. If the app is large, give it a moment and try to stay connected to Wi-Fi so it downloads faster and doesn't use too much mobile data. Some apps, especially games, may download extra files after the initial install, so keep the internet connection active. Once installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app right away. If you want to find it later, look for its icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. If you don't see it immediately, use your phone's search to locate it by name. A few important tips before you dive in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, to download and install smoothly. Check that your phone has enough storage space. If not, free up room by removing files or apps you no longer need. You must be signed in to a Google account, and if you have more than one, confirm you're using the one you prefer for downloads or purchases. Finally, when you open the app for the first time, it may ask for permissions like camera, location, or notifications. Review them carefully and allow only what makes sense for how you plan to use the app.